bitch. Why the fuck am I crying? No, because why the fuck am I tearing up? Oh my god. Now kiss. This is my first time ever doing anything with Netflix, so the way that the original video got blocked immediately, this is why I had to put the K-pop Demon Hunters logo on top of the music videos, because that shit kept getting blocked. Sorry about that, besties. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am obsessed with this movie. My girlfriend's best friend recommended this movie to us, and I was like, this shit looks childish. This is for little kids, blah, 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 being a fucking hater. Finally, my girlfriend watched it on her own, and she's like, babe, that shit's low-key funny. And I was like, oh, really? So I had a day off, and I was like, let's watch K-pop Demon Hunters, whatever. The masterpiece, bitch. I was 10 seconds into the damn movie, and I was already crying. Then the vocals really took me there. I was like, oh, this isn't some cringy, cheesy little thing. This is a fucking cinema. This is a masterpiece. They're building something with this. They're trying to build an empire. They're trying to be the next Avenger. It's like, oh, I am so sorry. Like, no, yeah, this is epic. I was obsessed with the storytelling, the writing, the animation, the vocals. Everything was so good and so on point. I've been literally telling everyone I know to watch this damn movie. I was like, girl, I promise you it's not cringy. Like, I promise you, girl, it's a whole universe, it's cinema. And I've been watching K-pop Demon Hunters reactions literally every day. Every single day I watch a new one. I'm excited, okay? I'm excited to jam out with y'all. If y'all haven't watched K-pop Demon Hunters, please do. Please. Yes. No, because even though I'm a raging lesbian, the demons will snatch my soul right up. Yes. Bitch. And the way that the fucking lyrics is like, girl, I'm gonna eat your soul up. Yummy, dummy dishes. And the girls are like, yes, yes, yes. Okay, one ho. Girl, he is the epitome of one ho, bitch. Yeah. Yeah. I saw this video first before even watching the movie, and I was like, oh, I put two and two together, girl. My little soda pop. What? Hey. Immediately did what it took in my soul. Yes. And I am gagged and gooped when they use that scene right there, and then they put that like K-drama OST. Bitch, it's from his fuck ass OST, bitch, from Business Proposal. Like, I was gagged and gooped. But the switch up, this is so true with K-pop, how the switch up goes so fast from liking one group and like diving into it and really supporting it down to then a new group comes and immediately you're forgotten, like so fucking quick. And then with the one group does something a little bit scandalous, just a little bit, and then they're dropped again. It's like, fuck. Honestly, K-pop fandom culture is insane. Me and mom talk about this a lot, but the netizens are nasty. They're nasty, and I hate the way that K-pop it has been getting treated. I feel like the Western media doesn't really understand the tea with K-pop, like with the New Jeans. The rise of New Jeans and the quick fall of New Jeans is insane. It's because they don't respect. And when I say they, I'm talking about companies and, you know, the entertainment industry in Korea and the fandom culture in Korea. They don't respect their artists. They just see them as like, yes, yes, gimme, 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 I need entertainment. Yes, yes, yes. Like, they're creepy as fuck. And I like how in this movie, they even talk about it a little bit more with the Soulja Boys. Like, there's Mystery and how he's depicted from the horrors of K-pop. Basically being like, he literally like folds and is like a chameleon and like doesn't really understand his true personality because he is a mystery. Like, he doesn't know he's trying to be whatever the fans need him to be. And then the baby, that one is because literally like you're sexualizing children, because K-pop idols, they're training since like what, 9 years old. Don't piss me off. And then they're becoming idols when they're what, like 13 years old and wearing mini skirts. Girl, Abby, who is literally just about his abs, yeah, just to like over sexualize their body. The romance, I think I heard something that like, oh, like you only like to be very romantic with idols, like how if an idol is dating, they literally banish their partner and them, and they cancel them. Like, Jinu, how he doesn't even know who the fuck he is. Like literally, he's trying to be everybody and at once, and it's like, So I really like how they're breaking it more down with Soldier Boys. I know there's better meanings to it, but this is what I just remember from the top of my head. I also did like how one of the creators of K-pop Demon Hunter, she was saying that a lot of people in the LGBTQ plus community really resonate with Rumi and her journey, and she says in her own words, in her mouth, that it's because they picked some of the key points of how people in the LGBTQ plus community had to come out. And so she literally used a similar structure of coming out and how having to like hide who you are, and like you don't know if your family's gonna accept you, friends are gonna accept you, and you're being brainwashed by your parents being like, dude, just hide it down, like, you know, there's gonna be a new ways and it's just a phase, and then your friends are just never gonna understand and they're gonna turn your back on you. But in reality, you overcome all of that, and the friends who love you down is still with you, you know? So I feel like K-pop Demon Hunter is a really deep movie, and it has so many deep plots and just more to it, and that's why I really like this movie. I also like everyone who was behind this movie, the voice actors, the actors themselves, like Miss Arden Cho. Arden Cho is the voice of Rumi, and I'm obsessed with the voice actors as well. Like I've been diving into it a little bit here and there. I also love how much Twice has participated in this movie. I love Twice down, and yeah, I don't know, dude, everything just about it is just really good. And yes, as a Korean American, I really stand by this movie. Period. Because even though I'm a lesbian, this fucking song, yes. Yes, I'm sad. What? What? Keep me obsessed. Bro. This is for the crazy ass K-pop fans. Period. I'll eat up your sins. I don't give a fuck. I'm not scared of that shit. I'll eat it all up for you. Freaky deaky. Bitch, my soul. What? Louder. Bitch. I'm already gone. I'm eating out. What? Oh. Bitch! Can I get like a little love? Bitch! Girl, go down on your knees because I'm gonna be your idol. Rumi! No. Because you don't understand. When the fucking movie, when this song was playing first, yeah, that shit ate down, and I really got sucked into this world. Yes. And I saw on TikTok somebody did time it to like, okay, like let's see if it's really 3 minutes, and they time it from right when they say, okay, Bobby, give it 3 minutes, continue the show. And that shit was still like 2 minutes and 40 seconds with all the dialogue and like are these patterns and all that shit. Girl, that was all 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Like Helen Tricks could save the world for real. Please take out the fucking Hachino, man. I know y'all can do it. Come on, be swift. Let's do it, please. Come on, Huntrix. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh. You just crossed the line. Bitch. Come on, Zoe. I am also so happy that the voice actors are literally getting so much more recognition. Like, man, I'm so happy for them too. Dun. It did kind of remind me of Blackpink, like when I first watched it, but just because of like the dun and certain phrases, I'm like, okay, that kind of reminds me of early Blackpink. But the more I listen to it, I'm like, girl, there's 2 separate entities. Fuck ass Ruby. Right here. Right here. And Savage. Lullaby. Bitch, oh my god, this fuck ass movie. They want to make 9 movies, I think that's what he said, or like 7. Bitch, sign me up. I'm here, I'm sat. Arden Cho deserves so much more recognition that she's getting. Shut the fuck up. So I'm sad. Let's go. Come on. Like Ramble, yeah, that kind of reminded me of Lisa back in the day, but again, they're two different entities in my opinion. I love this fuck ass song, bro. God damn. Nothing but the proof of what I am. Fix it. I tried to hide it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lives all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be all my. Bitch, I love the flow of that part. Oh my god. Bitch, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. That part. That fuck ass part. Oh, I'm gonna cry already. Fuck you. As a part of me, my voice in harmony. My voice without the light. This is what it sounds like. Oh my gosh, shut the fuck up. I should've just a jacket and just beat the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. This song we couldn't write, but this is how it feels like. Bitch. We're shattering the silence. No, because why the fuck am I crying? No, because why the fuck am I tearing up? Oh my god. The lyrics, the fuck ass lyrics is getting to me, a 25-year-old. This shit is for everyone. Fuck the age. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes. We're still survivors. Oh my god. Fuck you, bitch. Hijo de puta. Too many pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Touch and harmony. My voice without the lights, this is what it sounds like. Oh, that's hard, that's hard, that's hard. Side our head, get up and let some jacket and just beat the light instead. Fuck bro, this shit's horrible. I'm gonna cry. This is what it sounds like. No, you fuck ass Jinwoo. He couldn't have fucking died. He's coming back in the second movie, right? They didn't even get a kiss. Supposedly they had a kiss and they cut it out. The bitch is like, I'm popping my pussy, but also crying. Fuck, this is probably my favorite song from the whole show because it has so much emotions. Oh my god. You're a million pieces and we can't go back. And now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are proud of me. But that's in harmony. This is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors? Inside my head, get up and lift the jacket. Dude, that shit is hard. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay. Enough, bitch. Oh my god, this is actually embarrassing. I believe this all combined. Girl, fuck you. No, because why is this song so good? Ah, you stupid ass. Who the fuck made this fuck ass movie? Hold on, let me see their damn names. Because why the fuck is it got me all fucked up? Maggie Kang and Chris Appelans. Frick you for doing such a good damn job. I hate y'all, but I love you. Bring back Jinwoo, I swear. It's not the strays who want them. I'm a les and I want them still. Okay. I feel like this song is finally getting the recognition it deserves because the harmony too good. Oh bitch. Hold on. I cry too much. I need to blow my nose. girlfriend is a vendor and she's like, do you want to queue up music for the flea market? I'm like, yes. And back to back I started playing K-pop Demon Hunt and she looked at me like, and I was like, yes. Okay, I'm ready. I'm sad. Bitch. And I did watch all the BTS members, Jungkook, Jimin, J-Hope, Lily eat down to K-pop Demon Hunt. And mind you, my girlfriend is an army, not me. But now, yes, I am. Okay, bitch, shut the fuck up. We're gonna have to replay her again. What?
I try to hide, but something broke. I try to sing, couldn't hit the notes. The words kept catching
in my throat. Oh Lord.
Try to smile, I was suffocating though, but
suffocating.
here with you I can finally breathe. You say you're no good, but you're
good for me. Good God. Oh God.
We can change, but I won't if you're not by my side.
Bitch, she said I'm not gonna change even though I should change. But I won't change if you're not by my side. No, you're giving me so much energy. You're giving me so much confidence to make this change I know I need. But I'm scared as shit. And I'm not gonna do it if you're not by my side. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Why does it feel right?
Every time I let you in, why does it feel like I have to tell you anything?
All the damage that might make me dance.
Bro, shut the fuck up. Oh, I hate this damn movie. I hate it. Come on, Jinu. Come over here.
Time goes by and
I lose my
perspective. Yeah, hope only hurts, so I just forget it. But you're breaking through all the
I like this part. Come on more. Let's go.
Parts of me that I thought were buried for good. Between imposter and this monster, I've been lost inside my head. Ain't no choice. No way.
Here, hold on.
Easy when I'm with you. No one sees me the way you do. I don't trust it, but I want to. I keep coming back to why does it
Feel like every time I let you in, what does it feel like? Ew. I can't with this stupid ass movie. Ay. Bro, their voices together eats down. Yes. And the pattern showing together. Ooh.
We can't fix it if we never face it. Let the past be the past till it's weightless.
Now kiss. Fuck you, K-pop Demon Hunters, because why y'all making me all cry and getting ooshy mooshy up in here? Girl, that fuck ass movie is too delicious. It's too good. The vocals, the acting, the animations. I don't even know shit about animations, but I watched other reactors who really love animations and they said that shit, damn, animation was too good. Storytelling was too good. And I know that they're gonna have to make 1 billion more movies because there's so much little subplots that they can really dive into. Like, I really want to get to know more about the Miss Girlies, this Hunchix Girlies, know more about Rumi's parents. Hello, like there's so many things that we can get into, like Jinu, like girl. And people may note that in the first scene of the movie where they were introducing how there's always 3 women who in every decade to protect the Honmun, how Jinu's sister and mom was being protected by the 3 warriors. Hello? So like that's kind of crazy. Let's dive into that, shall we? Like where did Jinu even go? Let's dive into that, please. If you like K-pop Demon Hunters, let me know down below. What did you like specifically? Who was your favorite Hunchix member? I love you, besties. Stay gay and I shall see you next time. Bye.